Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Son Goku. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to show you how to draw Goku step by step. I start with the shape of his face. Then I draw his nose in the middle. Now let's draw his eyes like this. Then I draw his mouth. Now I draw his ears. I continue with his hair. Oh, okay, it's looking really good. Now let's draw his body. I draw his chest and his muscles. And now I draw his outfit like this. Amazing! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Then I use black for his hair too. Let's start coloring. I color his skin with cream. And for his outfit, I use orange. And blue. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.